I've been here 45 years. I've appreciated the animals and the wildlife here a lot. It's just been great to see these animals around me. They're comfortable around me, and I was very comfortable around them. And I just love the animals, love the wildlife, love the nature. And everybody wants, well, that bear's in my garden, or that woodchuck is in my garden, or something. Hey, we're in their garden. It's their world as much as ours. And I love them. My in-laws bought this farm in 1949. This is 50% tillable land here and 50% woodland. This piece of property was 120 acres. 85 acres of that was given to the NCC. I'm trying to do them justice by recognizing them and saying this farm, giving it to the NCC in their memory. Hugh and Dorothy Scherer. I think we should protect as much of the wildlife and our vegetation as we could. We should have something for generations and generations and generations to come. If we don't start now, we won't have it.